In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a product as sold on Facebook Marketplace. If you've already sold an item and want to keep your marketplace listings up to date, this is a simple but important step. Marking a product as sold helps prevent new messages from interested buyers, keeps your listings organized, and lets others know the item is no longer available. To begin, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that originally posted the marketplace listing, otherwise you may not see the item you want to update. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Facebook Marketplace section where you can manage your buying and selling activity. Next, click your profile icon. This is the area where Facebook stores your seller-related options and account activity for Marketplace. From there, select your listings. This will open the list of items you currently have posted, including active listings and, in some cases, previously updated ones. Now find the product you want to update and open it. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if you've listed several similar products. This is helpful so you don't accidentally mark the wrong listing as sold. Once the listing is open, click Mark as Sold. Facebook may then ask you to choose the buyer, especially if you've been chatting with multiple people about the item. If that prompt appears, select the correct buyer from the list. If you sold the item somewhere else, choose Sold Elsewhere instead. That option is useful if the product was purchased outside of Facebook Marketplace, but you still want to close the listing properly. After that, confirm the update. Once confirmed, Facebook will label the item as sold, which lets other users know it's no longer available. And that's it. Your listing has now been updated successfully. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to mark items as sold as soon as the transaction is complete. That keeps your marketplace profile accurate and saves you from receiving extra messages about products that are no longer available.